back to this episode, everyone. In this one, we're going to be working on the lower part of the engineering hull and the addition. Well, model making fans of the world, this ship is starting to look really good. How about that, eh? Not bad. Very nice. And eventually, though, all of this is going to be replaced. Obviously, it's not going to be named Enterprise. I already got a name and new registry for it. I just got to put them on, but that's a little bit later. I guess the next step is I'm going to finish off the detailing on this. I really can't put the bottom on just yet because I got to get the wires poking down through the hole here for that. So next step right now is I'm just going to concentrate on getting this finished off. There's a bunch of hull detailing there and stuff that I want to use for it, like stuff that I don't really need. Like this here was for the bottom part of the neck. I'm going to use these designs on that, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to finish off the painting around the edges here and underneath and stuff like that first before I apply those. I got the impulse engine covers back in place there now. Looks good. On the bottom of the pan, the extra part here, I added some more paneling on it. Just it looks a little bit better. Now I just got to finish off the paintings around the edges here, and apply the deckling on there, deckling on the edges along here, and let everything all dry at that point. Then I can apply it to the ship over there. There we go, got that all done now. Looks good. Now, I've been thinking about these. I don't think I can use these because I have to order in a whole new set of deckling for an Enterprise D model. And they are a completely different shade. So, these aren't going to work. These particular decals actually came with an Enterprise D model that I built a while ago, and if I had like two different shades of the hull paneling, it's not going to look good, so I have to order in a whole new pile of sheets for this. Okay, now I got some more hull detailing done. I added little nibs there, and I got these all along the sides here, on both sides. Now what I use for those is, you see all these old things? These are all from the trees from the models. Any small little nibs and stuff like this, don't throw them out, save them. I mean, they're pretty useful. As you can see here, you know, with the little, I don't know what they are, sensor pods or something like that. As you can see on the model here, they have them all along here. They're a little bit smaller than what I put on there. So that's what I did there for the platform here. Just adds a whole lot more to it. and the color of those looks like it's like a copper color, so eventually I'll go back and paint those up. I just gotta let those dry. There we go. Looks pretty good. That's the next step. Now to move on. Now, before I put on the Aztec deckling over the ship, all of these top decals here have to be removed. And then once the Aztec decal's on, then I reapply new deckling over top. There we go. Alright, now she's ready to have the Aztec deckling installed now. Now, one thing I cannot do is I cannot put this on the model just yet until I get the Aztec deckling on here. And because if I had that on there, the platform here would be in my way in this section here. One thing I probably should have thought of before even applying this to the body is I shouldn't have put that on there. But it's okay. I can still work around it. It's just going to take a little bit longer to apply the Aztec deckling underneath here. That's all. But it's workable. Okay, now I got the thruster ports on there. All these lines on there. All the way around. Looks good. What I use for those are these windows for the original Enterprise. So I just took my X-Acto, marked it out how thick I wanted them, cut them out, and placed them on. Like these two strips here is like one window for the original Enterprise. I just cut it out. And same with these here, the smaller windows, I just cut them out in thirds for these smaller ones for the thruster ports. And there we go. This thing is fully complete, ready to be assembled onto that. But after I get the Aztec deckling on there, then I can attach it. That's it for this episode, everyone. In the next one, we start applying the Aztec deckling. So please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and check out my online store. The link is down below. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at modelbuilder501@yahoo.ca. See you all again later. Bye-bye.